Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XRP coin. This coin has been giving us a lot of trading opportunities by forming the different harmonic trading ideas. And I have been sharing all the harmonic moves with you, and especially at the Patreon as well. And if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me at the Patreon in the video's description. You can find there. And here you will find a lot more other trading ideas on the daily basis as well. Now, let me give you some recap of the previous ideas. Then you will have better understanding about the current move that I want to share you in the current video. That how the price action of XRP has formed another very big bullish reversal pattern, the Gartley pattern. And from here, how the price line can be reversed bullish. Now, I want to share some recent patterns with you. For example, this was the pattern that was formed in the month of January, and we can see that the price line was entered in the buying zone of this bullish bad pattern that was also formed on the weekly time frame chart. And today, the pattern that I want to share with you is also formed on the weekly time frame chart. And let me show you the result of this trade. We can see that we had the good supports of 100 and 200, 150 simple moving averages in the buying zone. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price action turned a really very strong bullish from this buying zone. That was a really very big pump. I was expecting up to 178%, but it was a very big pump, more than that. And after that, I shared this harmonic cipher pattern with you guys that was formed on the 4-hour chart, a very small time frame chart. This time we had additional supports of 50, 100, and 200 simple moving averages as well in the buying zone and below the buying zone. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied even beyond this sell zone that I defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish cipher. Then I shared this bullish Gartley pattern. This time this pattern was formed on the daily time frame chart. And these were our sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish Gartley. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line turned really very strong bullish from this buying zone. And you can see that here the price action hit the sell zone, moved down, and then started the next very big rally. And most recent pattern that I shared with you was this one. This was the big bullish Gartley pattern that I shared in the month of Feb. And I told you that we can expect in the month of March a very big pump. Now I'm going to play this chart. We can see that the price action turned really very strong bullish from this buying zone of the bullish Gartley pattern. Now, if we move to the live daily time frame chart, then here we can see that the price action has the different support and resistance levels. At this time, it is at the support of 80 cents, and we also have the additional support of 200 simple moving average as well. And the price action used this additional support and moved above the 80 cent support level. And then we have the next resistance at $1.2, then $1.7, and the final resistance at this time is at $1.9. Now, if we place some trend lines here, then we can see that the price line has found a downtrend line support here. And from this trend line, you can see that the price action is getting reversed again and again. And from the upside, the price line has found this downtrend line resistance of this pattern, and this is a very wide channel that the price action is likely to form at this time, and we are very close to this support of the wide channel. You can see that the price action is moving here, and here while the price action is very close to this support, the price line has found another support here, you can see, and the price action is moving at this support. And to the upside, the price action has found this resistance. This is the resistance line, approximately at $1.8. We are rejected here and here as well. And here the price action has found another downtrend line support above this trend line. So in order to start a big move from here, first the price line needs to break out this 1.8 cents, $1.08 resistance level that the price action has found here on the daily time frame chart. Now, in order to make any big move, we also have a very big bullish reversal pattern, the harmonic move that the price action has again formed on the weekly time frame chart. And this can be another very big move, like we had already seen that the price action has been doing in the previous history. So we can expect another powerful bullish reversal from here. And this is the bullish reversal Gartley, the harmonic Gartley pattern. And this time we have the additional supports of 25 simple moving average in this buying zone, in the 50 simple moving average below the buying zone. And I'm expecting that the price action will not break down this 50 simple moving average. And we can see that we had a spike up to 50 simple moving average here and on this candlestick as well. And now the price action is moving sideways. At this time, we are in the buying zone. You can see the price action. The price is 83 cents at the moment, and the buying zone starts from 85.86 cents and ends up to 55.73 cents. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish Gartley, our sell targets can be $1.9 to $1.66. But this is a really very big bullish Gartley pattern. Therefore, I'm expecting that this time again the price action can even cross at this level, the sell target, and it can make another attempt to break out the next resistance, the price action resistance level, the price level resistance of $1.9. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.